Welcome, welcome. I'm opening Magic the Gathering, Edge of Eternities Play Boosters. Planning to build a deck with these. I'm pretty excited about it. Got a robot token with the reverse side being a lander. Insatiable Skittermaw. Lost in Space. Weft Blade Enhancer. Ice Cave Crasher. Lux Knight Breacher. Plasma Bolt. Thermatron Torpedo. Sammy Ship's Engineer. Larval Scoutlander. Bygone Colossus. Station Monitor. Requiem Monolith. That's rare. Shiny is Orbital Plunge. And a basic land Forest as the land. Well, thank you for joining me. Hope you have a lovely day.